Layla's Moroccan Adventure. Layla found a magical map in her grandmother's old, dusty chest. The map showed the mysterious lands of Morocco, and a shining star was marked on it. "This is a call to adventure," Layla whispered. Following the map, Layla found herself in a bustling and colorful market in Marrakesh. The air was filled with the scent of spices and mint tea. Shops selling colorful fabrics, handmade jewelry, and magic lamps lined the streets. While wandering through the market, Layla met a wise camel named Camille. Camille told her he could reveal the secrets of Morocco. Together, they set off towards the golden sands of the Sahara Desert. In the desert, they discovered an ancient caravanserai that seemed lost among the sand dunes. The walls of the caravanserai were decorated with paintings of stars and planets. Inside the caravanserai, they met a hospitable family who served them the most delicious Moroccan food. Layla ate the best couscous she had ever tasted in her life. After the meal, the eldest member of the family gave Layla a magical tambourine. "This tambourine," said the old man, "will help you find your way." Layla and Camille continued on their way and reached the foothills of the Atlas Mountains. The peaks of the mountains were covered with snow, and the slopes were full of lush green trees. In the mountains, they met a friendly Berber tribe who showed them the way to a hidden waterfall. The water of the waterfall was so clear that they could even see the stones at the bottom. Finally, they arrived at the place of the shining star on the map, Chefchaouen, the Blue City. All the houses and streets were painted bright blue. It was as if they were inside a dream. Layla understood that Morocco was a special place not only for its historical and natural beauty, but also for its warm-hearted people. As she returned home, she carried the colors and memories of Morocco in her heart.